As a person who's been living in Noida after 1999, I can tell you this, that, and I'm not going to get all political here because that is not my forte, but let me tell you that the police today that we have in Noida, at least in Noida, because I haven't seen other parts of Uttar Pradesh so much, it responds. And it's a very big deal for a citizen like me to have a police force that picks up your phone and 112 is there. ये सिर्फ फिल्मों में था सर कि पुलिस लेट आती है, अब नहीं आती लेट, अब टाइम पे पहुंचती है. Within 2 to 3 minutes, the police is there once you call. Number one. Number two, I have also seen that the way they deal with the citizens has changed radically. That high-handedness has lessened to a very, very large degree. And number three, Noida was at one point in time a criminal hotspot. It was a criminal hotspot.
That is why I asked this question.
Ji, it was a criminal hotspot, and people would get worried, that people haven't come back home. It's 9 o'clock. Where are they? Incidents of rape, of murder, chain snatching, mobile snatching, etc. And I have been the victim of a crime also. It was a very minor crime, but yes, it was there. Today, the biggest thing, I think, sir, the biggest thing that has happened is that people are no longer afraid of the police. The criminals are afraid of the police. ये बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई है, क्योंकि उत्तर प्रदेश में ऐसा था कि the people were afraid of the police and the criminals were not afraid of the police. Now, that thing has flipped. Today, I've seen people walking into the police station, and they're heard. And to the best of their capability, I'm not saying it's 100%, it's certainly not, but to a very large extent, their problems are solved, at least they are heard. And the SHO of a Thana, I would not like to take his name, but very wise person, worldly wise, दुनिया देखी है थानेदार साहब ने. He said कि साहब अगर आप लोगों की बात सुन लेंगे ना, तो 90% चीज़ें वहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाएंगी, because most of the time, they just want to be heard. And here is a police that hears people, tries to solve their problem. ये लोग बीच में बैठाते हैं लोगों को, पार्टीज को, सॉल्व करती हैं चीज़ें. एंड आई हैव सीन अ वेरी ड्रामेटिक इम्प्रूवमेंट इन द क्वालिटी ऑफ पुलिसिंग इन नोएडा. A very dramatic improvement in the quality of policing. I've been, watching it. That fear has gone from the citizenry. That something bad will happen if you go at night, सूरज ढलने के बाद कुछ बुरा हो जाएगा, कुछ बुरा नहीं होगा. नोएडा में, गौतम बुद्ध नगर में कुछ बुरा नहीं होगा. I don't know about the other places, but I can tell you about Noida that it's our police people are very, very strict.